Hello guys, welcome to the next video. We will see the practical implementation of the next algorithm that we have learned, that is the decision tree, SVM, and name base and KNN. Okay, so I have come to the same data set, that is the fish weight prediction regression data set. So first we will see the SVM. Okay, now SVM scalar I go. See, I imported as from scalar.svm import svc import svm model is equal to svc. I object initialization, then prediction, then fit the data. Sorry, svm dot fit will fit xtrend comma xtest. Sorry, xtrend comma ytrend. Okay, continuous. So this is SVM classification. Very important. We need to import SVM regression. Okay. Support vector machine regression scalar SVR support vector machine regression. So that is we need to import SVR. Okay. All the things are same. SVR we have imported, right? We will try to get the R2. First we will predict. Okay. Predict SVM pred. We'll get the R2 score. Calculate the R2 score, because for regression we need to get the R2 score to get the accuracy. Y test. Sorry, for before the R2 score we need to predict SVM dot predict xtest. Xtest. Okay. 1 plus enter. Next R2 score. SVM Y test and SVM pred. We see the score is very less for SVM model, so we cannot take this SVM model as consideration. So SVM, if we see, we cannot use the SVM model as the accuracy is very less, so we will take another algorithm. Okay, that is the KNN regression algorithm. Regression scalar. So KNN regressor, KNN equal to KNN regressor, initialize the object, KNN dot fit xtrend y trend. Okay, SVM model is ready. Okay, sorry, KNN model. Only change the name. KNN plus enter. Read the R2 score. Plus enter. See the 93%. Its accuracy. It's coming 93% accuracy. Okay. So KNN is over for us. Then we will go to the next, that is the name base. Name base is for classification, no need for regression. Last thing is decision tree. See, decision tree regression. decision tree regression. I will fit it. Fit the decision tree regressor D3. Then we will predict. And then we will try to predict D3, D3. Try to take the R2 score. Try to take the R2 score. That is the DT-pred. We are getting around 91%. So decision tree we have done. We have done the KNN. We have done the SVR. Okay, regression for classification. We need to change something. I will show you. See the weight seed prediction for SVR. We will use the SVC. SVC. All the things will remain same. Okay. We need to get the accuracy in this SVM pred. We see it's 92%, where there were minus, it is getting here. We have 92% accuracy. Next thing is that SVM is over. K nearest classifier. For regression, we will change it to the classifier. Classifier. All the things will remain same. Okay. Very easy machine learning. Done. R2 score. Sorry, R2 score will not be there. It will be accuracy score. Sorry. See, 90% accuracy is coming. Okay. Next is the decision tree. Decision tree regressor. You have to change it to the classifier and tell me what is the result coming. Okay, this is your homework, and I will show you the name base. Okay. Name base scalar. Name base scalar. Gaussian. Import name base as Gaussian NB. Gaussian name base. Gaussian name base. Okay. Gaussian name base. I say in name base NB. Name base Gaussian NB plus F9 Gaussian NB I have shown. Predict it using name base NB not predict. Then try to get the accuracy score of NB predict. We see it is around 87%. The name base is coming. Okay, so this was the practical implementation of both classification and regression algorithm. And decision tree I will provide the code, so it's easy. I'm showing you. See, decision tree also. Okay, so that all things we do classifier, change it to classifier. On F9 decision tree classifier is on. And next we take decision tree predict and R2 score. R2 score, not accuracy, sorry, accuracy. D3 all plus enter. See, the accuracy is coming around 87%. So thank you. I will see the next videos, next algorithms. So for today, thank you.